All right, now that we've set up Twilio, it's time to create our Zap, which will receive the text message, parse it, find the email, and then send it to our email marketing service. So the first step in the Zap, our trigger is going to be every new SMS in Twilio. So we're going to find the phone number that we want to automate or to receive the emails. And let's look at what one of those look like. This is the text message I just sent. Hey, add blah, blah, blah. So that's going to be step one. And then the second step is going to be using Zapier's formatter to find the email in the text message itself. So this is a functionality that is provided by Zapier's formatter functionality. So you just say extract email address and you put in the body of the text message from step one. So let's test that out and see what it looks like. So the input is the text message and the output is the email address that's in the text message. And then after that, really simple, you add that email address to whatever email marketing system you want. So in our case, I'm using Review, but you can use MailerLite, MailChimp, whatever, and you just input the email into the email address. And that's this step right here. And then you could answer the text message as well. So one of my actions here is send SMS in Twilio. So I take the phone number from step one, I put the phone number of that user, and I welcome them to automate all the things, which is my newsletter. So that's the Zapier part. I encourage you to try it out. So I have my phone number in the description. Give it a text, put your email address, and you'll see what happens. Cheers.